Yes, hello, Twitter copywriting. Okay, 6 quick reasons why you should be using Twitter as a copywriter. I get this question a lot. I just thought I'd lay it to rest. So, first up is obvious. It's that positive constraint of writing tightly to 140 characters, but not just writing tightly, consistently, daily, hourly, even generating new ideas. There isn't a better platform for this, but beyond just writing, you get instant feedback on the quality of your copy. So inside Twitter Analytics, there is a engagement score, an actual engagement percentage for every single tweet you write. So this is very different from asking a colleague or a friend or a family member what they think of your copy. This is asking the general public. In fact, you're not even asking them, they're just telling you. They are voting with their actions and reactions to your copy on the quality. So don't sleep on that. It's such a powerful thing. Third is just connecting with people in general. Great way to, you're only a DM away from your next great partnership, relationship, or even just basic clients. So I've picked up clients on the DMs in Twitter. Amazing feeling to start a conversation with someone 30 minutes later they're PayPaling you money. This is a great reality that we live in, and every copywriter should have access to that. I think also having a Twitter following offers great social proof, So I forget the exact number, but it's something like less than 2% of all Twitter accounts have more than 1,000 followers, which means that statistically, at least, if you've built more than 1,000 followers, anyone looking to hire you will have fewer than you, which gives you instant fame. So it shows that you can write, you understand personal branding, you can generate ideas, you understand positioning and markets. All these things not going to hurt your chances. Okay, and then the final reason really is just building up that relationship long term with people who might buy products from you further down the line. So at some point, as a copywriter, you're going to want to withdraw from client work and try and go out on your own. Try and make your own offer and launch that. That is what a real copywriter does. That's what the A-listers do. They don't do client work because they don't need to. They sell their own stuff. Okay, having that background of building relationships with people, building a Twitter following, building an email list as you go, is great practice and great assets for your business. So obviously you should be following me on Twitter. I'm at PSP French. There'll be a link below. As soon as you do follow me, just say hello in the DMs. Okay, thanks.